So July the 22nd, we're finally gonna get the official release of the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. They already shock dropped. They already did an exclusive access on the Nike Sneakers app. And now finally, we're about to get that official drop of the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section if you already have a pair or if you are anticipating on copping a pair on the release date. And if you're watching this after release date, let me know how you feel about these Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes down below in the comment section, man. So guys, here we have them, the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. Like I told you guys, this is probably one of the hottest releases for the summertime. I'll put them up there with the Air Jordan 6 Toro Bravos just because of vibrant colors, just because a lot of people like those, loud, colors during this time of the year. And the UNC Toe, Jordan Brand did not disappoint us with the quality, with the hits, with the leather, all that stuff, man. They did a very, very great job with executing these joints. And I must say, man, just after checking out both the laces real quick, I'm gonna have to stick with the black laces. I always stay true to, keeping the laces the same color as the toe box. Sometimes I switch it up, but the black laces off first rips, hey, I think it's a winner in my eyes. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content that we drop. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. We're gonna drop this video a couple early for you guys. People that still, on the fence on if they should copy the UNC Toes, they're gonna pass on. This video gonna give you a couple of days extra to think about it, to see the V-roll, to see them on feet, to see if you actually wanna pull that trigger on these joints. So I wanted to check out the box just really quickly with you guys. You guys see we have an all UNC box. Got the Nike up top, Nike branded all the way around it. Fish color reads Air Jordan Retro High OG, University Blue, Black, and White. I got these in size 9. It's always good to go true to size with your Air Jordan 1s. Sometimes they go down half size, don't kill me. And sometimes they even go up half a size, that don't hurt me either. So if you go true to size, you should be good to go with your Air Jordan 1s. And inside the box, I already swapped out the laces, but you will get an extra set of laces, the baby blue UNC joints right here. We already got them laced and equipped, so you guys can kind of decide which one you like better, black or blue lace. And bam, man, there we have them, UNC Toe with the UNC laces in them joints. I just think it's a little bit too much UNC. That's just my honest opinion. Just wanted to throw that out there. I might even think white laces would look good in these, or sail laces. I haven't seen nobody do it yet, but if I do see it and I get inspired, I'm gonna definitely throw in the white or the sail laces in these joints right here, man. So July 22nd, you guys know the retail tag is $180 now. It ain't $170 like you used to, 180 bones for these Air Jordan 1s right here. I definitely think it's worth it, you know what I'm saying? They are going for like right around that retail value of 200 to 220 bucks. And crazy sizes like 13s and stuff like that might be going for a little bit more. But for the general sizes, they're going for around that 210 to 230 mark as far as the resale value. So hopefully the resale does affect it in a way that people that really want the sneaker can grab it. You guys know how it is with resale value, and especially Air Jordan 1s in general. Sometimes it's a hit or miss. Sometimes the resale value be super crazy, where you don't even want the shoe no more. And sometimes the resale is super low, like these, like the Taxis, like the Pollens, and a couple other Air Jordan 1s that I can't mention that the resale was low. And they gave people a fair opportunity to add these joints in the collection. Definitely up there as far as, drops of the year. Like I rank these up there with the Palominos. I rank these up there with the Black Toes, Flu Game, or not Flu Games, the Cherries, DNP 11, stuff like that. I definitely think the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes hold a lot of weight. So real quick, just diving into the sneakers, kind of, out there for you guys. I do want to point out that the leather quality is really nice on my pair right here. You might get some differences in quality. Even if I get my double up pair, it might be a pair that's super flat with the leather. That happened with me with the Obsidian Air Jordan 1s, which is crazy. One pair has super tumble leather. The other pair of Obsidians I picked up from Shoe Palace has some flat, like terrible leather quality. So you might get, lucky and get a great pair like I got right here. But just checking out the leather quality, checking out the hits of that tumbleness, man, looks really good. Got your Wings logo up top right there, and of course that UNC baby blue on the heel of the joint. Just look at the shape, bro. These, these Jordan 1s are super nice. I was downplaying them for a second before the drop, just because I had, a lot of UNCs in the collection before. University Blue Air Jordan 1s, had to watch UNCs or whatever those. I had a lot of UNC color Air Jordan 1s, and kind of getting tired of it, but this is the first one back because I sold a bunch of them out of the collection. So just checking out the, the color, just kind of the quality, all that good stuff. Nike did not let your boy down, man. Then flipping on the inside, check it out. Kind of get a more flatter leather on the side panel, and even on this side of the sneaker, kind of get some flat, white leather right here. But like I said, you might be lucky enough to get that tumble crazy pair, because I have seen pairs that do have nice tumble leather on the side panel. And just being honest, just check out the sneaker. You only get that tumbled look of the leather wherever you see that UNC color. So on the heel, around the ankle, and on the toe box, you also get that nice UNC tumbled leather blue right here. And just checking out both of the laces that we throw in here. Like I said, you do got the UNC laces that come with the sneaker when you purchase them, and the black already come equipped in them joints. But let me know down below in the comment section, man, like I mentioned earlier, which one you're rocking out with more. It look a little, crazy right now, but when we check out the on feet, it's definitely gonna look crispy, layered, really nice. So maybe you gotta wait to see the on feet to decide which one you like more, the black or the UNC laces. But if you know right now, drop that comment in the comment section. And then it might just be me. I was peeping at it, checking a couple different, lighting angles of these joints. It might just be me. So don't take this with a grain of salt. It kind of looks like the outsole UNC blue is a little bit different from the UNC on the sneaker. But like I said, it might be the lighting, it might be the way that I'm looking at them. I'm legally blind, so that definitely probably is a reason. But so you can hear it there, got your regular Air Jordan 1 track pad with that UNC baby blue down below. So yeah guys, July the 22nd, we're gonna be getting this drop. If you guys have not already entered on flex apps like Foot Locker and Champ Sports, make sure you guys do that now. You have another shot at getting them on JD Sports, Finish Line, shoe palaces, if you got shoe palaces near you, DTLRs, all that good stuff. Make sure you guys put in your footwork, do your best you can to actually cop a pair, because you never know, on a release day it could be super terrible. I always reference the Air Jordan 1, lost and found. The release was just crazy. Didn't get a pair for retail, had to pay your resale, which kind of sucked because they said it was a crazy amount of pairs and the app just crashed. Couldn't confirm them anywhere. Took a huge L. So put in your footwork, try your best to actually get a pair. If you want a pair, and you should be able to secure a pair of Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes the day of the release.
I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. If you guys did enjoy this content, and you have not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you guys sub up, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. It'd be greatly appreciated. We're gonna still pump out this great quality to you guys and talking about the stuff that we love the most.
sneakers, man. So again, appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. With all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.